Very good morning. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and is staying at your home. So today I am going to solve the worksheet of class UKG. So as you know that today is 17th of May and today is Monday. I hope that you all have received the worksheet of the week from the school, and if not yet, then you can tell your parents to come to the school and collect the worksheet. So as you can see, this is a worksheet. There are two ways to solve this. First of all, you can solve this in the same paper and you can file it up, or what you can do, you can cut the questions and you can paste it in your notebook. So this is up to you. So this is the very first question. As you can see, you have to write backward counting from number 10 to 1. So in the previous video, I taught you how to learn and write the backward counting from 10 to 1. So let me revise it. As like if somebody says you to recite the numbers 1 to 10, this is very simple. In this order, you can recite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And when the thing is about to, like when you have to write or when you have to recite the numbers 10 to 1, this is called reverse counting or backward counting. So you will reverse the counting. So it will be like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So you have to write it in the same way which I recited for you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is the very first question. I hope that you all understand this. Now next question. You have to write number names from 1 to 10. I hope that you have learned it already. In the previous video you can see also if there is any confusion or any doubt. So you can write the number names, and that is 1 O capital and E. 2 first alphabet will be capital. 3 T H R E E. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. And the last T E N 10. So this is question number 2. Now question number 3. What you have to do, mention name of the body parts, and here you are having the clues: arm, foot, mouth, ear, hand, toe, eye, leg, hair, nose and finger. माउथ का मतलब मुंह, आर्म मीन्स भुजाएं हाथ, फुट पैर, ईयर कान, टो अंगूठा, हैंड हाथ, नोज नाक, हेयर बाल, फिंगर उंगली. तो इस तरीके से अब आपको क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू सी द पिक्चर. सो एज यू कैन सी, this is the hair, HAIR hair, eyes, mouth, nose, hands, or here you can say his hand, leg, foot. This is hand, this is arm, tongue, this is, you can say, palm, ear. Up there's some difference like arm, hand, foot and leg. Leg का मतलब पूरा पैर, foot का मतलब this part of the body. इसी तरीके से hand, this is arm का मतलब पूरी भुजा. तो इस तरीके से this like okay, this is finger, so finger you can say yes, these are the finger. तो ये finger है, this is toe. तो toe ये है, this is the toe, finger, hand and arm. तो you can fill it accordingly as I told you. तो अब इसमें बिल्कुल भी कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. In this block or in this rectangle you will write here eyes, nose, finger, leg, foot, toe, arm, mouth, finger and ear. So it will be done like this. Now this is the fourth question. You have to color and count the shapes. So color, these are the instructions. आपको इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग इस पे कलर करना है. देन यू हैव टू काउंट द शेप्स. लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर देर आर सर्कल्स. यू हैव टू काउंट द सर्कल्स 1, 2 and 3. So you can write in front of circle there are 3. 1, 2 and 3 circles. So you can write here 3. Now triangles, so you can count and write the numbers. Similarly in this picture and this picture also, so you have to color it first according to the given instructions, and then you have to count the shapes and write in front of the shapes. And now this is question number 5, matching. So you have to match the animals. So this is the monkey. Only here there are the faces of the animals and the name of the animals, and here you can see the full picture of the animals. So what you have to do, you have to match the faces with the whole body of the animal. So as you can see, this is monkey and this is monkey. This is giraffe and this is giraffe. This is chicken, this is chicken. This is dog, and yes, we have to find it. This is dog. This is lion and this is lion. This is cat, face of the cat, and this is cat. This is rabbit. This is complete picture of rabbit. This is cow, and it is very easily seen that this is cow. Wow, this is snake and this is snake. Horse, this is horse. Sheep, where is sheep? Yes, this is sheep, and this is spider. So this is the spider. So like this you can match the faces of the animal with the whole picture of the animals. And at last, this is the written work in 3 of your books, which is with your course book and in a syllabus. So Art Champion, this is a drawing book. You have to do page number 23 of the drawing book. My yellow activity book, cursive primer, this is cursive writing book, and you have to do page number 2 to 7 in your cursive primer book. My yellow activity book, you have to do page number 2 to 4 in your math primer book. So I hope that you understand how to solve the activity sheet, how to do the worksheet. This is a work of whole week, so you can do it accordingly. So I hope that you all understand it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.